In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dynamic context-aware search engine by connecting Microsoft Copilot Studio to your SharePoint data. To get started, the first thing you want to do is prepare your SharePoint environment. This part is important because the quality of your Copilot's answers depends heavily on how well your content is organized. Make sure your documents are stored in the right SharePoint libraries and confirm that the people who need to use this solution have the correct read permissions. If access is not set correctly, your Copilot may not be able to surface the information your team expects. Once your SharePoint content is ready, open Microsoft Copilot Studio in your web browser and sign into your account. After you're in, click the Create button to begin building a new Copilot. This will take you into the setup flow where you can define the foundation of your assistant. Next, give your Copilot a clear name that reflects its purpose. Choose your primary language and then click Create. After a moment, your main development workspace will load. This is where you'll connect data, configure behavior, and test how your Copilot responds. From there, go to the Knowledge tab in the left-hand menu. Click Add Knowledge, and when the list of data sources appears, select SharePoint. This step tells Copilot Studio where it should look for trusted information when generating answers. Now paste the web address for your specific SharePoint site or document library into the URL field and click Add to save it. Be sure you're using the exact location that contains the files you want the Copilot to search. Connecting the right library helps keep answers relevant and focused. After that, open the System Topics menu and select Conversational Boosting. In this area, make sure the Generative Answers feature is turned on. This setting is what enables the Copilot to provide context-aware search results instead of relying only on basic scripted responses. In other words, it helps the assistant understand the user's question and pull meaningful answers from your SharePoint content. Once everything is connected, use the test panel on the right side of the screen to ask a few sample questions. This is your chance to verify that the Copilot is returning accurate, context-rich answers directly from your SharePoint files. Try phrasing questions in different ways to see how well it understands natural language. When you're satisfied with the results, click Publish at the top of the page. This deploys your completed Copilot so it can be used in places like Microsoft Teams or your company intranet. And that's it. You now have a smart, context-aware search bot that helps your team find SharePoint information quickly and efficiently.